friends, welcome to our YouTube channel of CATIA tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to apply material over any model or project we have made. Like for example, I have made this elbow joint. You can see this. Okay, it's not applied any material. So if it is in piping like plastic pipe, we can add material of as a plastic. For that, first select the body. Then here we have add material. From this we have metals, wood, stone, shape. This is for color, paintings and other material. In other material we have plastic, plastic plexiglass, raw rubber, like rubber I want to apply a rubber material. Select rubber and apply material and okay. Now you can see its color has been changed. It is black rubber material it has. Okay, so select it. I can add any other material also, like I want to add plastic, so just select plastic and apply. Here you can see plastic has been applied. Okay. As per the material, its weight and weight will be also changed. So we can also apply a metal to it. From here we have metals, aluminium, apply and okay. You can see now it is in aluminium. So shining a little bit as per the aluminium material. So you can apply steel also. We have fellow to material aluminum, brass, bronze, like this. Magnesium, lead, iron. If I apply iron, it will be look like this. The iron material, like this. So you can add any. And metals, we have nickel, silver, tungsten, titanium, steel. This is steel, like this. How different materials are. In steel, it is not shining that much as it was very shiny in the aluminum material. You also have wood, different kind of wood and other things like construction material. You have grass, or you can see it has changed to grass. Texture of the pipe has changed to grass. Like this, you can change any material fabrics you have. Okay, in construction, you have all these material gravel, road, roof, and different type of wires. You also have wood, pine, whatever your product is as per the requirement. You can apply these materials. For now, I am applying some other material to it. And plus plexiglass to this apply and okay. It is a little bit transparent, like it is transparent glass, so it is looking like this. Similarly, stones we have diamond. Apply diamond, it will be totally transparent. You can't even see this after applying diamond. So like this, you can apply any material to it. At present I am applying plastic only. Apply and okay. This is plastic. That's it. If you want to measure its volume, how much material is used, you can measure from here. We have measure inertia and select the body like this. If you want to select different bodies, it will give you volume, area and mass of different bodies. If you select cancer, select whole body and measure, then it will give you whole like this. Density of the material is this one, mass, area and volume of the plastic. That also gives you all these things. Moment of inertia, gravity also. And it also provides you with the center of gravity. This point where all these three axes are intersecting is the center of gravity for this model. Cancel. I am not applying this all here. So if you don't want to give material, just want to give some surface colors, you can also give. Like colors you can give on single surface, but material will be on the whole body. For example, select this, right click. We have properties here. Okay, here graphic properties. Here we have color. You can change the color, right, and apply. But it won't be shown as material is given. So for now, I am turning off. I am deleting this material. Then it will be shown. I have applied red color to it like this. Okay, and this part, if I want to apply some color, go to properties, right click, not paint, let it be blue, and okay, you can see color of the surface is changed. But you can't apply different materials to different faces. You have to apply single material over all the faces, so it will be applied to whole body. If you want to color faces, you can use this property. It will just a graphic property. It will show the different colors on different faces. So that's all. We have learned how to apply material and graphic colors to a model in CATIA v5. So thank you very much. We will meet in next class.